If you want to remove your SIM card from Google Pixel 11, you just have to take a look at the top side of the phone, because over here we can find our SIM tray. Here we have the SIM tray hole, and of course we need to use the eject tool that we're gonna put into this hole over here. So we're gonna put it in at first, there we go, and once it is in, you want to apply a gentle pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. And then you should be able to use your fingers or fingernails in order to fully remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And now, over here, we should be able to find our SIM. So, if you have trouble removing the SIM, you can use this side over here. And we can see that we have these two little holes. We can, for example, use the eject tool once again. And you can just poke the SIM card from this side to easily remove it from the SIM tray. There we go. And then, of course, we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone, so make sure to do that and push it all the way in. It should go in very easily, and you want to make sure that it is actually fully inserted. It should not stick out in order to avoid causing damage to the phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.